Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will explain how to schedule your class, take the control of your presentation, and no one will disturb you in your class. So first of all, you will go to the calendar. So new meeting. Add the title. I will fix my class from Sunday. I have title is ICT lesson. Date on 6 September. From my class is at 10:35. 10:35. Okay, 10:35 to 11:20. So this for all day. This is for one day. For all day, you have to click on this. And now I am setting for every Sunday from 10:35 to, if I am taking daily class. Okay, every Sunday I have at 10:35 for a D. So you have to select there, yes, weekly. So occurs every Sunday starting 9:16. So every Sunday it will be at 10:35. Okay, add a channel. So just type your class 8D. 8D here, subjects must appear. We will resolve this issue, but I am selecting general. This general should not come here. The subjects where your channel must appear. We will resolve this issue. Okay, add a location. So I will take my class in ICT lab. ICT lab boys. And here you want to type anything about your lesson. Okay, topic and subtopics, whatever you want, you can type here. Okay, and this thing very important, attendees. You can add your top management contact here so that they can observe you. They can enter in your class. Okay, for example, I will type Sir Nazar contact. Okay, and then vice principal contact here, and all others you can add here. Okay, so here top management contacts, please 4 5 contacts are your heads, uh, vice principal, principal, managing director, all you can type here. This is as a sample. Then send this. So link will go to the class and to the top management. So to the top management only these two links will go. If you will add here in the class, then with the class all class links and will go to the management as well. Unnecessary. That is just unnecessary information. So please avoid that. Only use the top management addresses here. Now send it. ICT. So this will go to the calendar and ICT. Click here. When this opens, so go to the meeting options. So to set the control of the presentation, please this, who can bypass the lobby, mean they don't want to wait, they can join directly. So people in my organization, like, don't select everyone, people in my, like students and management, headmaster, vice principal, principal, all they can bypass. Announce when caller join or leave, yes, a message or some tone, this one, yes. And who can present, please select only me, not everyone. This is the option through which you can control the presentation. Now no one will disturb you, no one has ability to mute your mic, and no one has ability to mute other mic as well. Students can mute themselves only or unmute themselves. Okay, that option is still there. Students can unmute themselves or themselves only. One student can mute his mic only or unmute, not others. And no one can, you know, force to leave the meeting. This control only, this control with the organizer. Here I am taking the class, so this is for me. So save it. Close this window. So 10:35 to 10:45. Okay. So close this also. So this lesson has been set. So this way you can control your class. I hope you got this. Next, if you want to show, you want to see all your students. So first you go to your profile and settings. This issue was there. So some of our colleagues raised the issue. So go to profile and settings and check this register team as the chat and turn on new meetings. This one. Turn on new meetings. Okay. Now click here. Right click here and quit the meeting and start it again. So we are again in the meeting. Teams. Go to profile, settings. See, turn on new meeting experiences here. So when you will call, for example, I will call once this test grade is here. I will call this for meeting now. Okay, organizer and no participants here. So what you will do, click here, more options, when you will give the call. Okay, now go to this more option and gallery. See, gallery is here. So click the gallery. This one, large gallery. When there will be, more colors, this option will be on, and this together mode also mean all participant will appear in together mode. And this you can increase the number of boxes, small or big, from here. So gallery, all the attendees will appear in gallery. If you want to see in large gallery, all, for example, 24 participants are there, you want to see, so they will appear in like this, rows and column. And if you want to see them in groups, full class, it will come like this. Okay, so please, you will do this. You will go before starting the class. Every time you have to start this. When you are starting the class, go in the profile, go to the settings, and on this device, this option, turn on new meeting experience, and then quit the meeting, right click meeting and quit it, and then restart it again. Then that option will be appear for only that class, that time continuously. Then he was facing problem, mic problem, cam problem. Just I just sign it out and restart the team. So it started working properly. So please follow these steps. So hopefully you will, uh, you know, run your team smoothly. Okay, thank you very much.